Another lovely client here today at Magic Hair Company, all the way from Riverside. Look at this beautiful unit she has on. How long have you had this unit?
I've had it for 2 years.
It looks amazing. How has it lasted you during these last 2 years?
It's been wonderful. The upkeep has been just amazing. I'm very, very pleased with it.
Thank you. Thank you for shopping with us here at Magic Hair Company.
You're welcome.
I love this color we did. I love the texture. How does it feel?
You know, it feels like the day I bought it. It
Yes.
feels just very natural, soft, just very good quality.
Great, great. Thank you for shopping with us. Thank you for getting another unit with us today. We really appreciate your
Of
support.
course. I've got additional units from you today.
2 additional today. Thank you, thank you, thank you for making it all the way up here. It looks absolutely amazing and natural on you.
Thank you.
Yay. Shop with us at Magic Hair Company, guys. We can custom create a wig for you. We can do the custom color. We, of course, have our own product line. Shop with us anytime during our business hours here at Magic Hair Company.